Life is full of possibilities. You have the power to create a life filled with abundance. Crystals can help you achieve this. They are powerful tools for manifestation. Crystals are gifts from the earth. They vibrate with natural energy. By harnessing their power, you can attract wealth and prosperity. Let's embark on this journey together. The law of attraction is simple. Like attracts like. Positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. Focusing on abundance brings abundance into your life. Believe in your dreams. Visualize your goals. Your thoughts have power. They shape your reality. Crystals are ancient. They hold energy. Each crystal has a unique vibration. This vibration can influence your own energy field. Crystals can amplify your intentions. They are tools for manifesting. Choose crystals that resonate with wealth and abundance. Creating a crystal grid is easy. Find a sacred space. Cleanse the area and the crystals. Choose a center crystal. Arrange other crystals around the center. Use a grid cloth or shape. Activate the grid with your intention. In this section, we'll explore how to choose your crystal allies for abundance. Selecting crystals that align with your goals is key. Clear quartz is known for its ability to amplify energy. Citrine is often used to attract wealth and prosperity. And green aventurine is a favorite for bringing good luck. It's important to research different crystals to understand their unique properties. Choose the ones that call to you, and always trust your intuition. Your perfect crystal allies are out there waiting to help you manifest your dreams. Intention is key to manifestation. Be clear about what you want. Write your intentions down. Focus on your desires. Believe in the power of your intentions. The universe responds to your energy. Stay positive and focused. Once your grid is set, it's time to activate it. Visualize your intentions flowing into the crystals. Feel the energy building. State your intentions aloud. Charge the grid with your energy. Know that the universe is working with you. Recharge them under the moonlight. Reaffirm your intentions. Keep your grid in a place where you can see it. Visualize your intentions manifesting. Be patient and persistent. Creating a crystal grid is a powerful step. It sets your intentions in motion. Believe in the process. Trust the journey. Embrace the abundance that is coming your way. Share your experiences below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It might just help to inspire others to unlock their own potential.